I'm here in this very beautiful cafe, a very nice hangout. In case you have not been here, this is in 3rd Mile, Dimapur at 80. Oh, sorry. It's 4th Mile, Dimapur. I get confused between 3rd and 4th Mile. So all the miles are so happening out here in Dimapur that you tend to miss it up. I thank the owner for giving me this privilege to enjoy the whole ambience and to take a recording of things here. And whatever food that we are ordering, we are starving out here today, so we have ordered quite a bit, and we're gonna let you know on how the food came out to be. So, because it has always been, and one thing is, it has always been my insta wish that I just want to visit 80 Pasteur, and man, today here I am, and it's like a dream come true. And when you are here, it's like you are in a different world, so you have to come here and have the experience. Even though I have not started the food yet, I feel that it's gonna be so worth the food. Let's check it out, let the food come. The girls are very busy taking orders, and it's kind of a full house out here today. Everyone's enjoying their food. And we have this Christmas tree. We have an advanced celebration. It's like advanced Christmas celebration. Just a month away. Coba patisserie. Coba patisserie. You know, aku rasa 80 patisserie adalah I have to sound it right at 80. So let's meet the beautiful girls out here. Hey girls. So here I am with the manager. So hi to the manager.
Hello.
Yeah. And then I would like to know, like, how long has it been since this cafe opened?
We opened last year, February month.
Last year?
Yeah.
And how was it during this COVID time thing?
Yeah, we had to go shut down for some time, and then we reopened again. But it's going good now. Yeah.
And people seem to be enjoying the food here.
Yes.
Like, so what is their favorite usually? People's favorite food?
Yeah. The most hot selling is beef and bacon burger and ramen. We have this beef ramen, kimchi ramen.
Oh,
yeah.
Sort of Korean food?
Yeah, Korean food, yes.
Okay, and I see lots of pictures on Instagram where they have these beautiful cakes and all those things.
Yeah.
So where are the cakes?
Actually, it's downstairs. Yeah.
Then we have to go downstairs also to see the beautiful cakes, and also the cookies and everything are downstairs.
Yeah, everything's downstairs.
This is a big hall. This is upstairs, and that is downstairs. And then and what would you recommend? What is your favorite?
In desserts,
if
I go for desserts, I would love the chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake.
Also the red velvet.
Red velvet.
Yeah.
Oh, that's everyone's favorite.
Yes.
Okay, so we will also be ordering a chocolate cake and a red velvet. Yeah. So, and how do you find it here? Like, what is your experience working here?
It's really nice. It's a very healthy environment. So I love working here. Yeah. We all love.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's so nice.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Very happy customers out here. Hey, have you come here before? First time? So how are you finding the food here?
Good.
It's good? Like, which one did you order?
We ordered the cheesecake.
Cheesecake. So it's good? Yeah, good. Everyone's enjoying, huh? Good. Yeah, good girl. Okay.
It's Oreo and chocolate. This is the best. And my brother, and he loves the macaroon. And me and my mom, all my family are here.
The microphone. Oh, all your family are here?
Yes.
Okay, good. Where do you study?
I study from Hope Academy. I'm from grade 1.
Grade 1. What is your name?
My name's Ojen.
Okay, thank you. Kanina main video, like how Easter is eating video. How was the food? Good? Tea.
It was good. It was good.
So we enjoyed everything. We ate a lot and the food is so good. We're all so stuffed full and it is so worth visiting. So do pass by 80, I don't know how do you spell it out, Patissier, kind of tongue twisting word for me. But then, okay, do share, like and subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys around. Bye.
See you later.